Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable or change the mouse cursor acceleration settings on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So what I have to do is select the launcher icon down in your system taskbar, and then go up and select settings. On the left panel, select device, and then on the right side underneath device, select mouse. And then where it says cursor acceleration, go ahead and toggle that on or off depending on your preference. Faster movements with your mouse, it'll move your cursor farther. And you can also adjust the cursor speed right below here too by dragging this to the left or right. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.